Okay, so now we're going to do the typing that's in the boxes. In the first one, we need to actually put does all the way down here, down, come, and they. So this is what you do. You just click in the box and you go ahead and type does. Then you hit the tab. It takes you to this one, so you go down, tab, come, tab, they. And then does again, down again, come again, and they. Tab again, does, tab, down, tab, come, tab, they. Now if you accidentally hit tab again, it's going to make a whole new row. But all you have to do is just go back like this and undo, and that'll take care of it. Okay, so that's how that part's done. Now we're going to go down to changing the font size. Here we're going to be changing the font size. Up above here you can see the size that it's at. Okay, so we're going to go here. This is supposed to be 12-point font, so we're doing a left click, hold. Remember, even on the touchpad, you can still do a left click with the left hand, and then with your right hand you can move it from the right to the left with your finger and it will select it. Okay, so you go there and it needs to be 12, so we go right here, click in there and go to 12. You just click in the box, go to 12. This one needs to be a 14, same thing, left click, hold, whoops, left click, hold. Remember, if you make a mistake, click off of it and do it again until you get all the letters you want, and you click in the box and you go to a 14. Okay, this one needs an 18, so we left click, hold and drag, release, and go back into the box and go to 18. Boom, it's done. Okay, this one is changing font to bold. You see this B right here? This is bold. So in order to do this, again, it's that left click, hold, drag, and then you just go up to the B and click the B, and that makes it bold. Click, drag, B, bold. Left click, hold, drag, release, click, bold. Okay, at any time, if you're just like, oh, I need to do this, well, pause this video. Go back, do it, and then come back. It's not too difficult. You just kind of pause, go back here and do the work you need to do, and then come back here. And you can take care of it, okay? All right. Now this one is working with the cut. Cut is found here in edit and then here with the C. So it says we need to click on the green squares and make them go away. So we're going to click right here, go to edit, go down to cut, and there it goes. Click on the box, go to edit, go to cut. Sorry. Click on the box, go to edit, go to cut. And click on the box, go to edit, go to cut. Okay? And that gets rid of it. Actually, if I want it back, all I have to do is go back over here to edit and go to paste, and I can get the box back. Or I can just do undo or redo, just depending on what I want to do. So, all right, so that is how the first page is done. Now going on to the second page, we'll be working with pictures. So that will be the next slide. So go ahead and get this page done, and I will meet you on this page.